Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Adventure Built. My name is Kelly. We're back in the shop, another install, Meso Customs LED interior lights. They're going in Rook. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel. As you guys know, last week, Rook got its very first upgrade, a brand new suspension kit from Eibach, the Pro Truck Stage 1 system. This week, Rook is getting its very first interior mod. We reached out to Meso Customs and they sent us these amazing full replacement LED lights for the map light and the dome light. This should be a quick and easy install, so let's get into it. We are sitting in Rook and we're gonna start with the two front map lights. So we should only need two tools to do this job. A trim removal tool and a small flathead screwdriver. First, we're gonna take the trim removal tool and we're just gonna pry this up. Now that we got our fingers in here, and we're gonna pull straight down. A little unnerving. All right guys, so you can see that we have gotten the first one in successfully, and now I'm going to show you how to do this one. The first step is to, on the back side here, you can see the two tabs. These are the sockets to the lights. All you do is you grab them with your fingers and give them a quarter counterclockwise turn and they pull out. This is the stock halogen light inside of the stock socket. And all you do to separate these, grab this in your fingers and pull straight out. And this is the stock halogen bulb. Not impressive at all. Discard that, you don't need it. And now we're going to still be needing this stock socket. But first, we need to remove this housing. Take your handy dandy trim tool and all you're gonna do is very slowly and calmly pry up on this and pull it out. Now you don't wanna go nuts with it. Take your time. Don't want to break any of the tabs. And it comes right out. And this is the map light diffuser. You will no longer need this either. As you can see here, the Meso Customs map lights are definitely directional in the bezel. Make sure you orient them the correct way. You'll know if you put the wrong one in the wrong socket. So now you take your brand new Meso Customs LED light and fish it through from the front of the panel. Now you've got your socket in the hole. And all you're going to do is hold it there. You've got a bunch of your socket hanging out. While holding the front of your light in with your hand, grab your Meso Customs plug and your stock socket, and all you're going to do is press the two together. Once you've got them depressed, put the socket back in its hole, and it's on. And the whole thing turned on. And all you do is press these, the closest sides to the middle in, and then press this in, and it presses right into place. Very straightforward. Now let's test them. Ooh, that's nice. That's really bright. And if for some reason these don't turn on when you go to test them, all you do is pull the plug socket out, change it around, reverse the polarity, plug it back in, and it should work. All right, time to reinstall this bad boy. To reinstall this, all you do is put it up to the top and press upward. Evenly pressure. And it's complete. That is an impressive improvement over stock. To remove the rear dome light, there's two tabs. One tab here and one tab here. You take your small flathead screwdriver, insert it into this tab here, and pry it open a little bit. Catch it with your finger, and all you're doing is sliding the flathead screwdriver between the diffuser and the housing of the light itself and just pry it open and it will come right off. Now, in order to remove the stock light bulb here, on the driver's side of the vehicle, there's a silver tab connected to it's a little pressure plate here for this light bulb, and all you do is pull back on the silver tab with your finger and work it out with your other finger, and it falls right out. This is the stock halogen bulb for the Tacoma. This is the Meso Customs LED replacement. This is the way it will orient in here. On the back side, this is the wiring piece that will go and replace where the factory LED bulb was, and this will power all the LED lights in the bracket. Now just return this back where you pulled out the factory bulb. Now that it's in, let's test it. It works. And now to put this back in place, we'll make sure the wiring harness is tucked up nicely. Put the back portion of the bracket away from the switch in first, and then push the bracket in closest to the switch and just push it up until it seats. And that is the new Meso Customs LED light. Amazing. An absolute perfect upgrade. As you guys can see, there is a world of difference between the factory halogen bulbs and the LED bulbs. That wraps up the Meso Customs Ultimate Map Light and Ultimate Dome Light LED kit conversion. Super easy to do, very effective, very affordable. I would highly suggest you guys get on mesocustoms.com, get one for yourself, put it in, and enjoy the light. Well, thank you guys for tuning in. We'll see you guys next time. Remember, 2020, the year of 1,000 subscribers.